Hi friends, now we are going to study the ellipse, drawing an ellipse by focus directrix method. This is a method to draw an ellipse in engineering graphics. The problem statement will be like this. Draw an ellipse when the distance of a focus from the directrix is equal to 60 millimeter and eccentricity is 2 by 3. So first step in drawing this ellipse is first draw a vertical line as directrix. Mark point capital D on it and draw perpendicular line to the directrix through point D as a axis line. So this line which is passing through point D and perpendicular to directrix is called as axis line. Then second step is mark point F, that is focus at a distance of 60 millimeter from point D on the axis line. Then divide this distance FD, that is distance between focus and the directrix. Divide this distance FD into 5 equal divisions, that is 60 divided by 5, that means 12 mm each. Mark vertex V after 2 divisions from the focus. Mark vertex V from the focus, 2 divisions from the focus, so that eccentricity will be Vf upon Vd equal to 2 by 3. This eccentricity 2 by 3 is given in the problem statement. So we have to use it for marking the vertex V. Then draw a perpendicular line to the axis line through point V. That is, through vertex we have to draw a perpendicular line to the axis line. Draw an arc with center V and radius Vf. Draw an arc with center V and radius Vf, which will intersect the perpendicular line through vertex at capital A. Okay, we have to draw a arc with center V and passing through with radius Vf, and this arc will cut at a point capital A to the vertical line through vertex V. Now join DA and extend it up to certain distance. Now the next step is draw an inclined line at 45 degree from point F, that is nothing but the focus. From focus we have to draw a line which is inclined at 45 degree with axis line, and it will intersect the line DA extended at point B. It will cut at the point B. Okay, then draw a vertical line through point B. Draw a vertical line through point B which intersect the axis line at point V1. That is nothing but the second vertex. V1 is the major axis of an ellipse. So for drawing the major axis V1, we have done this total procedure of this one. Then mark points 1, 2, 3, 4 approximately on the line V1. So at an equal distance, we have to mark different points like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to V1 at an equal distance. Through these points, draw the perpendicular lines to axis line which intersect the extended DA line. The line DA which we have drawn, whatever point lines, perpendicular lines drawn through point 1, 2, 3, 4, that line will intersect the line DAB. DAB line, it will intersect. Now the next step is take a distance 1, 1 as a radius. Take a distance 1, 1 as a radius and F as a center. F radius and F as a center. Cut arcs on perpendicular line on both sides of the axis to get points P1. Okay, what we have to do? We have to take a distance 1 1 in compass, and with F as a center we have to draw an arc on the line through perpendicular on a line passing through 1 1. So we will get the point P1. Similarly, take 2 2 distance in compass and F as a center, mark an arc on the 2 2 line. At the same time, we will mark it the point on the lower side of the axis also. So P1 we will get on above the axis line and below the axis line. P2 point will also we will get above the axis line and below axis line. So similar procedure we have to follow. 3 3 we have to take F as a center and mark the arc on the 3 3 line. Similarly 4 4 as a radius, F as a center and mark the point P4 on the 4 4 line above the axis line, also below the axis line. Then by completing all these points from on the all these lines, we will get different points like P1, P2, P3, P4, P5 up to P12. Then join all these points with the help of either French curve, or you can draw it with the free hand. If you have good practice, then you can draw it with the free hand. The curve should be very smooth, and after joining all these points P1, P2, P3 up to P12 on the upper side as well as on the lower side, it will complete an ellipse. So this is the method of drawing ellipse by focus directrix method.